हो तो बस छाँव होती है, स्नेह से सजी, ममता से भरी, माँ तो बस माँ होती है। God could not be everywhere, so He made mothers. Mother, one of the most beautiful creations of God. God can create everything in this world, but to enter in this world, even He needs a mother. This is something which we see or get to learn from our culture. May it be Lord Jesus, Lord Ram, Lord Krishna, Lord Buddha. Everyone needed a mother. Good morning everyone. I am Janrana. Welcome you all to our class assembly on Mother's Day. Mother are like angels who light up our life and make it beautiful. Mothers are the sweetest gift from the God. Mother's Day is a special day of the year which has been dedicated to all mothers. Let's love, admire and respect all the mothers around. With this thought, let's start our assembly with a prayer. I would like to call class 2C students on the stage.
Good morning everyone. My name is Palakshka. Mother's Day is a very special day of the year for everyone. People who love their mother celebrate this special occasion in many ways. Thank you. It is the only day of the year which has been dedicated to all the mothers in this world. Now I would like to call my friends to present a beautiful song. है माँ, मंजिल हमें दिखाती है माँ। सबसे मीठा बोल है माँ, दुनिया से अनमोल है माँ। खाना हमें खिलाती है माँ, लोरी गा के सुनाती है माँ। प्यारी जग से न्यारी माँ, खुशियाँ देती सारी माँ। थैंक यू। I would like to call my friends to present a dance performance. थोड़ी सी क्यूट है, थोड़ी सी करारी भी, थोड़ी सी कूल है, थोड़ी सी पुरानी भी। जैसे गर्मी में ठंडा सा शरबत, खट्टा मीठा सा। जैसे सर्दी में चाहत का कोई कंबल मोटा सा। मेरे अम्मी जो है, मेरे अम्मी जो है, मेरे अम्मी जो है, मेरे अम्मी जो है। Exactly. We take her for granted, but we don't express our gratitude to our mother, which can ultimately leave her in a situation where she feels she is alone. So always remember to talk to her, to appreciate her, to make her live her life, and to make her live for herself. Mother has a very special place in the heart of her children. So the best way we can make our mother happy is by being good and kind. I hope you understand last lesson. Thank you.
Loudly. All of you clap loudly. Loudly. So we'll start clapping again. What is the sign? What is the? You have to be very attentive. Alright. So can I just speak a few words? Wonderful children. So children, I think this is the kind of happiness that your mothers want from you always. Does your mother want you to be happy all the time? Yes. How can we be happy? When we listen to her.
And then she also loves us.
She is always loving you. Yes.
And she also hugs me.
She hugs you, she loves you, but what do you do to make her happy?
She has love. She helps us to give us anything that we want. Only thing Mom is in his head. Always respect to your mom.
Sunday of the month of May?
When any guest comes, we have to be managed.
Oh, wonderful. And I already think you are already behaving yourself very well. So whenever somebody comes to your house, you have to behave. But more than that, when you come for the assembly here,
We have to be quiet.
are you behaving? No.
When guests come, we have to behave nicely and help Mama to cook food.
Alright.
I help Mama to hang the clothes.
Yourself so short. Alright. So children, I think this is the most beautiful day that we celebrate, and your mothers are so happy to have you as a gift from God.
Silence.
So on your Mother's Day, you will all tell your mother that we love you so much and we really are thankful that you're doing so many good things for us. So thank you Gunjan ma'am for the wonderful assembly, and thank you to see that you were really very good. Keep growing and behave well, all of you. Thank you.